Education is the key to a bright future. Empowermefirst.college.
Welcome to our lesson on set relations. In mathematics, sets are collections of objects, and understanding how sets relate to each other is fundamental to many areas of mathematics. Let's start by looking at some basic set notation. A set is typically represented by a capital letter, and the elements of the set are listed inside curly braces. For example, set A might contain the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4, and set B might contain the elements 3, 4, 5, and 6. We can visualize sets using Venn diagrams. Here we have two sets, A and B, represented by circles. The elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the elements of set B are 3, 4, 5, and 6. The first set relation we'll discuss is intersection. The intersection of two sets, written as A intersection B, consists of all elements that are in both set A and set B. In our Venn diagram, the intersection is represented by the overlapping region. For sets A and B, the intersection contains the elements 3 and 4, since these elements appear in both sets. Next, let's look at the union of sets. The union of two sets, written as a union B, consists of all elements that are in either set A or set B or both. In our Venn diagram, the union is represented by the entire colored region of both circles. For sets A and B, the union contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, let's talk about the complement of a set. The complement of set A, written as a complement, consists of all elements in the universal set that are not in A. The universal set, typically denoted by U, contains all elements being considered in a particular context. In our Venn diagram, if we consider the universal set to be all the numbers from 1 to 8, then a complement would include the elements 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's solve a set problem using these relations. Consider sets A equals curly bracket 1, 2, 3 for curly bracket, and B equals curly bracket 3 for 5, 6 curly bracket. Find A intersection B, a union B, and a complement if the universal set is U equals curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 curly bracket. We've already found these answers earlier. The intersection A intersection B equals curly bracket 3 for curly bracket. The union A union B equals curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 curly bracket. And the complement A complement equals curly bracket 5, 6, 7, 8 curly bracket. To understand the practical applications of set relations, let's consider some real-world examples. Imagine a survey of 100 students where 60 like math, 40 like science, and 25 like both subjects. We can represent this using a Venn diagram. The intersection is 25 students who like both math and science. The union is the total number of students who like either subject, which is 60 plus 40 minus 25 equals 75 students. The complement of students who like math would be those who don't like math, which is 100 minus 60 equals 40 students. In conclusion, we've learned about three fundamental set relations: intersection, union, and complement. The intersection of two sets contains elements that belong to both sets. The union contains elements that belong to either or both sets. And the complement of a set contains all elements in the universal set that are not in the given set. Understanding set relations is crucial for many areas of mathematics, computer science, and data analysis. Thanks for watching.